Next one is example 1.16. So in our question is the force F acting on a body moving in a circular path depends on mass of the body, velocity and radius of the circular path. Obtaining the expression for the force by dimension analyzing method. So here K value is 1. So in our problem is the force F is directly depends on mass. So we will write m power a. Then velocity. So we will write v power b. Then radius. So here we will write r power c. So whenever the directly proportional converted into equal form, some constant you will introduce. That constant is k. So remaining m power a, then v power b, then r power c. So next one is I will find out the dimension in both sides. So here force dimension is m l t power minus 2. This is force dimension. Next equal to k is a constant value, so there is no dimension. Okay, next one is mass. So mass dimension is m. So m power a. Next one is v is velocity. So velocity dimension is lt power minus 1. So here power is b. Then r is nothing but radius. Radius is what? Length only. Okay, so length. So radius dimension is length, l power c. So here m power a. So here l power b, here l power c. So l value is l power b plus c. Then t power minus 1 into b minus b. Okay, correct? Okay, so here m power l ml t power minus 2. Now equating this power on both sides. So here m power is a equal to, here m power is 1, here l power is b plus c equal to, here l power is 1, here t power is minus b, here t power is minus 2. So here a equal to 1, here b value is the minus minus cancel, so b value is minus 2, sorry, plus 2. So b value is plus 2. Now I want to calculate c value. So b plus c equal to 1. So b value what? 2. 2 plus c equal to 1. So I want to calculate c. So the 2 moving on that side. So c value is 1 minus 2. So c equal to minus 1. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 1. These values are substitute in equation 1. This is equation 1. So here equation become like this. F equal to k m power 1 v power squared r power minus 1. So here k value is 1 already given in the problem. Okay, so f equal to m power 1 v power squared then r power minus 1. So the f can be written as m v squared. So r power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by r. Okay, isn't it? So here by r. So this is the force expression formula. F equal to m v square divided by r. Thank you. Next exercise 1.1. So in our question is, in a submarine equipped with sonar, the time delay between the generation of a pulse and its echo after the reflection from an enemy submarines in observed to be 80 second. So if the speed of the sound in water in 1460 meter second minus 1. So what is the distance of the enemy submarine? So here what is given here? So time t equal to 80 second. Then speed velocity v equal to 1460. Then what we are asking? Distance only. What is d? So here echo method. So the velocity, the formula is v equal to 2d divided by t. Okay, so I will find out the distance only. So this equation become like this: v into d divided by 2 into d, isn't it? So here velocity value what? So velocity value is 1460 into time is 80 divided by 2. Okay, if you multiply and divide, we will get the result as d equal to 58.40 kilometer. So the distance of the enemies, so the distance of the enemy submarine is 58.40 kilometer. Thank you. Next exercise 1.2. So in our question is the radius of the circle is 3.12 meter. So calculate the area of the circle with regard to significant figure. So here what is given here? So radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is r equal to 3.12 meter. The question is the area of the circle. So the area of the circle is equal to by r square. So by value is constant, that is 3.14 into r value is what? 3.12 whole power square. Okay, if you multiply these values, we will get the result as 30.5660 meter square. Okay, this is area of the circle. But according to our problem, and also we will find out the significant figure. So here using the rules of rounding, round it off. So now I will take it 3 digit only, 305, that means 30.5, because in our original the problem given the digit is 3. So that's why I will take it 3 digit only. Here you look out, the fourth digit is 6. The 6 is greater than 5. So then the preceding digit is 5 is odd number. So you should increase by 1. So area equal to 30.6 meter square. This is the area of the significant figure. Thank you. Okay, next one is exercise 1.3. In our question is assuming that the frequency mu of a vibrating string may depends upon applied force. Second one is length. Third one is mass per unit length. Prove that frequency is directly proportional to 1 by L root of f divided by m using the dimensional analysis. Okay, first let us consider the frequency depends. So here the frequency directly depends on what? Applied force. So we will write f power a. Okay, then depends on length. So we will write L power b. Then depends on mass per unit of length, that is m. So we will write m power c. So whenever the directly proportional converted into equal form, you will introduce some constant. Okay, that constant is k. So remaining f power a, L power b, then m power c. So next one is we will apply the dimension in both sides. So frequency dimension is t power minus 1. So here t power minus 1. This is our frequency dimension. So k is a constant value, there is no dimension. So f, the force dimension is ml t power minus 2 power a. Next, length dimension is L. So here L power b. So next, this is mass. Okay, mass by length only. So here the dimension is m L minus 1 power c. Okay, so now here m power a, here m power c. So here ma plus c. The next one is what? L. So here L power a, here L power b. So a plus b, here L power minus c. Okay, next here t. So t having, so here t power minus 2a. That's all. So here t power. So here in this side, mass having, length having, time having. Here time only having. So here not having mass and length. So here m power 0, L power 0, t power minus 1 I will write. Okay, so this is equal to here m power a plus c, then L power a plus b minus c, then t power minus 2a. Now the power can be equate in both sides. So here m power is a plus c equal to, here m power is 0. Here L power is a plus b minus c equal to 0. So here t power is minus 2a equal to, here t power is minus 1. So first I will find out this a value. So here minus minus cancel. So a value is 1 by 2. Okay, now this value you are substituted in this first term. So here a plus c equal to 0. So here a value is 1 by 2 plus c equal to 0. So c value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, next a value and c value applied in this equation. So here a value is 1 by 2, then b minus, here also minus, so plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Okay, so b plus 1 equal to 0. So b value is minus 1. So a value, b value and then c value, these values are substitute in equation 1. This is equation number 1. Now the equation become like this. So here k value is equal to 1 means, so here frequency mu equal to f power 1 by 2, then L power minus 1, then m power minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as gamma equal to f power 1 by 2 means write like this, root of f. So here L power minus 1, that means what? 1 by L. Okay, so here m power minus 1 by 2 means what? So 1 divided by root of m. Okay, so this is written like this, 1 by L root of f divided by m. Okay, so this is the frequency equal to 1 divided by L root of f divided by m. This is can be proved.